This 2020 Jayco WHITEHAWK 23MRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, skylight, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, water heater, TV, awning, smoke detector, microwave, and 42-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco WHITEHAWK 23MRB is 8,412 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.